You're so busy. Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make these delicious roasted baby potatoes. Now, here's the thing. Typically, I would use fresh potatoes, right? But my grocery store is selling them for like $6 or $7 for like this tiny little thing of potatoes. So I decided to try them with canned potatoes. Let me tell you, I couldn't tell the difference. It was a fraction of the cost. It was still as delicious. So I wanted to share it with you, especially now when everything is going up. I'm trying to find all these amazing variations and recipes that will save you tons of money. So I really hope you guys give it a try. This little guy absolutely loves them. And I know you guys will too. All right, say bye-bye to our friends. Say bye-bye, friends. Say bye-bye. No? Okay. Okay.